Welcome to RVB Brick Speed Builds. I'm your host, RVB, where I deliver insights that help you decide on what sets to buy and build today. In this episode, we're going to do the 4 LEGO City Stunt Bike sets. We got the Demolition, Rocket, Wheelie, and Chicken Stunt Bike set. I'm going to do the unboxing, the speed builds, 360 detailed views, as well as following up my final RVB score. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll see you back here for my RVB score. Alright, enjoy! Well, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, speed build, and 360 views. If you're still not completely settled on if you want to buy this or not, I'm going to go over my RVB score. So I score this in 5 categories to give it a total points of 50. The first category is appearance, and for these sets, gave it a 7 out of 10. Overall, between the minifigures and the bikes, I think they do look pretty cool despite being a very small kind of set, but it's worth the 7 out of the 10. For the next category, I did limited stickers. I don't like putting on stickers, I rather printed parts, and in this case, all the bikes come with special printed parts unique to that particular minifig or that particular bike. So I gave this 10 out of a 10. The next category is minifigures. Well, this being a minifigure heavy set, and all minifigures look very unique, at least to me. I don't know if there are any other sets. I gave it a 9 out of 10. I'm not a big minifigure heavy set type person. I rather the larger sets with a few minifigs, so I did ding it 1 point and gave it a 9 out of 10. My last 2 categories are accessories and build fun. Both of these categories, I gave all these sets a 4 out of 10. Since they are smaller sets, accessories are hard to come with, so gave it a 4. And build fun, since they are very minifigure heavy builds, as well as the bikes are come in like 2 or 3 pieces, it's very quick to put together. So again, gave it 4 out of 10. Overall though, total score of 34 out of 50 ain't too bad. I would recommend this if you are a big minifigure heavy collector. They do come with unique minifigures, very bright, cool different hair and helmet styles. Again, don't know if they're unique to these sets or not, but they're unique to the sets that I own. So I thought they were pretty cool there. Also, the motors in these bikes are really fun to play with. I would suggest giving them to your kids and just letting them have fun with it. I definitely had fun. It was hard to show in the videos because they do move really fast depending on how fast you push them or how slow you push them. But they will go zooming back and forth across the room, and I can see a lot of fun there. So overall, would recommend it for those 2 reasons. And that is all I have to say about these sets. So thank you again for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and especially comment on different sets you want to see. Or more importantly, if you're thinking about buying the set or not buying the set, I'm very curious for all 4 of these LEGO City Stunt Bike sets. Well, hope you enjoyed the video again, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye.